case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, the Louisiana Court of Appeal heard Causey v. St. Francis Medical Center, a case centered on the legal concept of informed consent. The case emphasized that doctors must present medically acceptable treatment options to patients or surrogates, but are not obligated to provide treatments deemed harmful or inappropriate. This legal standard aims to protect patients' autonomy and integrity. The lawsuit was filed by the family of a comatose patient against a medical center and a doctor after they discontinued dialysis and life support without permission. The court ruled that the case fell under the Medical Malpractice Act, dismissing the lawsuit as premature since it needed to be presented to a medical review panel first. The family then appealed, asserting the patient's right to refuse treatment. The court needed to determine whether the standard of care was followed and if the patient had the right to refuse treatment. It is now well established that patients have the right to participate in medical decision-making, and state legislature has granted competent, terminally ill individuals this right. Ultimately, the appellate court upheld the trial court's decision that the case was premature and required a medical panel review. The plaintiffs were held responsible for the costs. The court recognized the physician's obligations, the subjectivity of futile treatment, and the patient's right to refuse treatment. The Medical Malpractice Act applied, and the Morals and Ethics Board was considered a healthcare provider.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.